Now we're still in the same idea, vectors, dot product or scalar product of a vector. It's chapter 15, still in volume 1. This is volume 1, also scalar product, page 297. So scalar product and space out dot product. Now we know this formula, also from last year, but you know it without z prime. So when I say dot product, we have two formulas, analytic formula or norm and cosine formula. U dot V using يعني x and y, هي x prime plus y plus z prime. And this one you know it from last year, but without that z prime. Okay, norm and cosine, يعني u dot v is magnitude of u times magnitude of v times cosine of the angle between u and v. And we'll combine those two together. يعني when I want to find cosine, I will replace u dot v by the answer of the analytic formula to find the angle between the two vectors. أكيد we will see it from the application. So don't worry guys, we'll see it later during the application periods. Now, how also we have a rule for the dot product using the orthogonal projection. If you are doing a dot product of two vectors, I have AB dot AC. It's the same as if I do the orthogonal projection of AB, okay, on the vector AC, it's equal also to AH dot AC, with H the orthogonal projection of AB over AC. يعني if I do AB vector AC, if I take AB, I do the orthogonal projection of B on AC, also it's equal to AH dot AC. So AH is the orthogonal projection. So هون شو مكتوب؟ AH is the orthogonal projection, sorry guys for the handwriting, of AB on AC. Okay, so what's written here is like this: AH is the orthogonal projection, هيدي projection, okay, of AB on AC. Now remark, انتبه لها كتير منيح. If you and V are collinear, and if they are on the same line, مش يعني the angle is zero. هيدي it's confusing some students. We need to be careful for the sense of the two vectors. If they have the same sense, إذا اثنين عندهم the same sense يعني بيكون الفاكتور zero. But if they have opposite sense بيكون الانجل 180 degrees. Okay, so U dot V, if I have, if the angle is zero يعني like this. Okay, they have the same sense. هون الانجل zero بتكون هون لأنه cosine zero is 1, so بتكون U dot V is the magnitude of U times magnitude of V. But if the angles between the two vectors is 180 بتكون cosine minus 1 يعني بتكون U dot V is equal minus magnitude of U times magnitude of V. So you need to be careful. So the angle between the two vectors, they are on the same line. إذا كنا احنا على same line, the two vectors they have the same direction, the same sense, اثنيناتهم ماشيين the same sense, بتكون الانجل zero. If they have opposite sense like here or like here, the angle is 180 degree. But if they have the same sense, the angle بتكون zero. Let's move. Properties, very easy properties. U dot V هي zeta V dot U. U dot V plus W يعني عم بعمل distribution هي U dot V plus UW. If you are multiplying مثلا alpha U dot beta V يعني إذا عم بعمل 2U dot 7V هي it's the same as 2 times 7 يعني 14U dot V. Now how do we prove that the vectors are orthogonal يعني perpendicular يعني how do you prove that alpha is 90 if the dot product is 0 ليه؟ لأنه when I have angle 90 cosine 90 is 0 and it gives me dot product is 0. So if U dot V is 0 it means U and V are orthogonal يعني alpha is 90 degree. Now we move to the formula of the magnitude. كان عبود distance formula عم قطعت هون معي. The magnitude is easy. Why I didn't mention it here? Let me see, perhaps it's later. لا, that's it. Okay. So the magnitude, I didn't put it. I don't know why. I forgot about it. ما تنسوا magnitude of the vector U يعني distance formula. It's radical هي x squared plus y squared plus z squared مثل distance formula x minus okay بس هون على الفاكتور I have it already the coordinate so x squared plus y squared plus z squared and then I will move now to شفتوا 3 هي كانت ال 4 no هي مزبوطة. I have it on my copybook magnitude. I didn't put it here. I'm sorry guys. Now Cartesian equation of a plane. This is very important. To find the Cartesian equation of a plane, how do you gonna find the equation of a plane? And in the second chapter we will see another form of an equation of a plane. هلا if I have a point A, okay, on the plane P, I have the coordinate of A, minus 1, 2, 4. And if I have the vector V, and the given R, a point on the plane and a vector perpendicular to the plane, orthogonal to the plane. How we know when it's perpendicular to the plane? It means it's perpendicular to all the lines in this plane. So how are we going to find the equation of the vector of plane? So we say let M be a point on the plane اللي هو M, its coordinate هي X, Y, and Z. Okay? If V يعني perpendicular to all the lines in this plane, يعني V and AM are perpendicular. It means V dot AM is equal to 0. So I will repeat again. And I need to find the equation of this plane. Okay? What will be given? will be a point normal أو perpendicular to the plane. So this is my plane P. And on my plane P, I have a point A. I have its coordinates, okay? And it's given V, the normal or the orthogonal vector to the plane. If V is perpendicular to the plane, it's perpendicular to all the lines of this plane. So to A, any point. So I will say let M be any point on the plane. So M, I don't have its coordinate, it's X, Y, and Z. So I can say that AM and V are perpendicular, يعني AM dot V is equal to 0. I will find the coordinate of AM هي x of M minus x of A. So كيف نجيب الفورمولا هون؟ x of M يعني x minus x of A minus 1 هي plus 1. y of M minus y of A يعني y2. و z of M z minus z of A يعني minus 4. This is the coordinate of AM. Now I will do AM dot V يعني x prime plus y1 plus dz prime. So x plus 1 times 1, okay, times plus now y prime 2 times no 2 times y minus 2 plus هذه plus guys. now z prime minus 2 times z minus 4 بتكون هيك is equal to 0, and then you develop, and then the final answer, it's the equation of a plane. It will be in terms of x, y, and z. That's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. هون الapplication. This is all the lesson. This is chapter 15. It's very easy.